2018 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, power mirrors, emergency braking assist, traction control, stability control, ventilated front disc brakes, daytime running lights, hill start assist, remote keyless entry, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find rear view camera, backup camera, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, child safety locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.